Hi everybody, welcome to Khong Driving, and we are on our way up to Genting on our favorite drive, and with me is Sun King. Say hi, Sun King.
Hi everyone, good morning.
And Sun King is the proud owner of this BMW 335i. This is the F30. So the F30 was made between 2011 to 2015, and it actually only came into this country in 2012. And as far as I know, only a few units of this particular model was ever sold here. And here's just some numbers, yeah? So Sun King, you correct me if I'm wrong, huh?
Okay.
The base power is 306 PS and 400 Newton meters. And what Sun King has done is he's done a little bit of tweaking here and there. So how much would you say your horsepower is now?
At the moment, I did a stage 1, so it's about 350 horse and it's about 530 torque.
Oh, okay. So that is very potent power. And as I said before, this 3-liter engine has lots of potential for tuning. Sorry. My throat is very dry. It gets very dry every time I want to drive an exciting car. So maybe I should drink water before we start, yeah? Okay, so just for your information, the wheelbase for this one, F30, is 2810 mm. And this car is about 4.4 something like that meters. I may be wrong, but well, it is C segment, and C segment has been growing quite a bit. So the new 3 Series, the G20, I think, has got an even longer wheelbase. That's 2851. This one at 2810 I already consider quite long, but it's good because this one is a little bit better than the 90 series, yeah, because you got a bit more leg room at the back. Or the sun's going to be in our eyes for a bit in one or two places. Okay, I'm going to move to manual, and we're going to try a little bit before we get to the actual climb. This is my first time driving this car. Okay, there's somebody on the right hand lane. Okay, what Sun King has done is from the base 17-inch wheels, it is now on 19. So I don't know what he has done to the gear ratios. Maybe slowed down the speedometer a bit, but he hasn't slowed down the car. So the front tires, he retained the same size. It's 225. I think it's 40 series, 19. And the rear is 255, which is the same width as the original tire. But of course, 19-inch. Anything on the brakes? Standard.
The brakes, the front is running on the M Performance brakes.
M Performance brakes. Okay, here we go. And just checking it out. Oh! The tail is moving out.
Very happy.
Very happy. I'm very happy too. Wow, I like your power, man. Very good. Very tail happy, but traction control is still coming on.
Yeah.
Wow, this guy is fast, man. Very nice. Careful. And a truck in front. This was a better line. There's a motorbike. Thank you. I was a bit worried about that bike. And he actually did come out.
Yeah.
The brakes are getting a bit hot.
Hot.
Yes. Because I think because of the additional power.
Yeah, I think so.
Got to slow down here. There's a car crossing the road, so we have to be very careful here.
Luckily, there's not so many cars.
Yeah, there's another car in the road. Okay, he's across the line, so we just be a bit careful. One car going very slow. Oh, he crossed the line too. Oh, that was bad. And he's going at 40 kilometers per hour. And here we are. Woo! Wow, that was great, man. How do you feel? How do you feel?
Oh, adrenaline is pumping.